Today we have PPSH 41 unboxing video. Alright, to start I've already opened it as you can see, and we will get rid of that. This stuff is good for not sleeping on. Yeah. These are probably my batteries. We'll leave those there. Evike.com, best website. And as you can see, it's PPSH 41. Real Russian weapon. Now,
Wow!
let us check out what it looks like. Oh, this is nice. This will keep it from moving around. The barrel appears to be shotgunned already. Hopefully rifle is fine. Let us just check this, yeah. Looks to be fine. It's very nice weight. It's all metal PPSH 41. We have drum magazine right here. And I shall show you how to put it in. Similar to an AK, you put the lip in first and then boom. Beautiful Russian weapon. And that is all.